garage place, he opens the door and smiles so wide. His little blue car waits inside. Out comes the car into the light, shiny and ready, a lovely sight. Aarav says, I care for you, my car and I have work to do. Splash goes the water, soap so white, washing the car till it shines bright. Up and down the bubbles play, the dusty dirt all runs away. The bonnet opens slow and neat, engine humming strong and sweet. Oil is poured with gentle care, Aarav checks everything there. Round and round the tires go, is the air too high or low? Pump, pump, now just right, all the tires are firm and tight. Down he bends to check the brake, safety first, no small mistake. Lights shine bright, the horn says beep, promises the car will keep. Seats are wiped and floor is clean, the tidiest car you've ever seen. Aarav smiles, his job is done, caring for his car is fun. Now he drives along the road, happy heart, a lighter load. With love and care in all he does, his car runs smooth because